Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative, unique and informative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on MTCNN, such as face detection and face recognition using MTCNN, then face verification using MTCNN, then face recognition using VGG phase 2 and MTCNN and face recognition, and many more videos. Today's video is really creative. It is about face recognition using MTCNN and Facenet in real different style. I will explain in brief about today's video. This video is about face recognition application using MTCNN and Facenet libraries. MTCNN is used to detect faces in images, while Facenet is used to encode the detected faces into unique vector that can be compared to other vectors for performing the face recognition. Now I will execute the program. Yes, my face should be detected using MTCNN. Yes. Oh no. Yes. So I successfully done with MTCNN and Facenet in different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN, VGG phase 2, CNN, Keras, TensorFlow, then if possible FAIR library, then DFace library, and many more creative videos on machine learning using Python. If you want to stay updated with machine learning using Python, please watch my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.